By the way, I'm a chemist by profession, but today I am here, like you, a staunch advocate for Lux and Miss Anna Magkawas. So being a chemist, I'd like to share with you, do you think I look sick? No? Mukha ba ako may sakit? Okay, I'd like to share you this story. A few years back, I was diagnosed with cancer. And that same year, my mom also was diagnosed with cancer. I think that was the most painful time of my life. So every time I would go out the door to have my chemotherapy, you can see the fear in my children's eyes. Will mommy come home? Will I ever come back? I was a single mom by then, and I really believe in single moms, working moms. And during that time that I was battling cancer, one of the substances or chemicals or medication that my doctors gave was glutathione. Glutathione, for me, is one of the miracle drugs for cancer. Though there are not much studies yet, but for me, I am a living testimonial of what glutathione is. Glutathione is not only good for the liver, yung mga may fatty livers, and the side effect of glutathione is you'll be very beautiful, very white, but for me, glutathione goes beyond beauty. When I had cancer, glutathione is one of the supplements my doctor in Mount Elizabeth. So I went to Mount Elizabeth in Singapore to get my treatment, and one of the supplements, they said, Pinky, try to take glutathione. I said, Doc, I want to get well. I want to get well from cancer. Parang gusto niya ako kung gumanda. Maganda na ata ako. Diba? But surprisingly, after 2 years of taking glutathione, I took my PET scan. And I was cleared of cancer. Praise God. With the prayers and God's grace, glutathione is one of the supplements that was given by my oncologist in Singapore. And today I'm very excited with this product because not only will it make you beautiful, but it will make a lot of you be healthy because glutathione is a free radical scavenger. Ibig sabihin, tinatanggal yung mga bad cancer-causing elements sa body. The whitening is a side effect. Napakagandang side effect ng glutathione. So that is one of the most beautiful part I would like to share.
I have 3 things na consider talaga why I choose this brand. No? So number 1 is yung product. Pag sinabi na Lux Slim kasi talaga expect mo na yung product na ilalabas niya is first in the market and truly first in the market talaga siya. And second thing is price point. Siyempre bilang negosyante tayo, dapat alam mo din kung talagang kikita ka ba. Lalo na ngayon no, sa online selling, sobrang daming charges na sinacharge talaga ng mga online platform. And good thing, ang ganda nung price point na binigay ni Ma'am Anna sa product na to. Number 3 is, syempre yung owner mismo, si Miss Anna. Sobrang fulfilling sa akin as an online seller na maging part ng isang brand na owned ng isang empowered woman na si Miss Anna. So, I think this is one of my accomplishments as an online seller. So, thank you so much for this opportunity po.
Ang nagustuhan ko po sa Lux Slim Beauty Tox Gluta Capsule ay yung mga ingredients po niya. Unang-una po yung glutathione kasi antioxidant po siya, so it's very good for our body, for our health. Tulad nga po nung nasabi si Miss Pinky, sabi niya is naka-help siya sa kanyang cancer. Isa pang ingredient na nagustuhan ko rin ay yung chitosan. Kasi nakaka-help siya na i-lower yung bad cholesterol sa body natin, which is yung gusto kong mangyari din sa akin kasi I have a problem din po sa weight ko, so I want to lose weight and at the same time, while losing weight, maging glowing din yung skin ko. Marami pa pong other benefits ang Beauty Tox Gluta Capsules. And marami siyang magandang ingredients like collagen that helps sa ating hair and nails and sa skin natin. So yun po, I hope na ito na yung maging answer sa aking weight loss journey.
Kasi para sa isang produkto, para mas makita natin yung effect niya, kung weight loss yung target natin, at least 3 or 4 active ingredients na nagkakos ng weight loss, magkakasamang magtutulong-tulong. So yung effect nito sa akin, sa tagal na ginagamit ko to, before, tamad kasi talaga akong uminom ng kung ano-ano. So hindi talaga ako nagtitake ng any glutathione, capsule, or supplements before. Kasi, yun nga, may katamaran akong taglay. So tanging Lux Slim coffee, juice, yun yung mga supplements lang na natitake ko, sa coffee and juices. And then, nung dumating na yung samples natin ito, dun ko napansin, mas iba yung pag-flush out ng toxins ko. Yung tipong sa umaga, talagang pupunta ako sa CR. Yun yung effect niya sa akin. And of course, it gives me the energy. Kasi tingnan nyo naman yun nga po yung sinasabi ni ma'am kanina, na kaya natin na mag-live, magsalita, maghapon ilang oras, na parang feeling walang kapaguran. I think isa rin yun sa nakatulong talaga sa akin. And kung mapapansin nyo, ang ating Beauty Tox capsule, maraming siksik na organic, freshest ingredients. 13 in one bottle. Sabi nga ni Miss Pinky Tobiano, di ba? Ngayon lang natin nalaman na maganda pala siya para maging cancer-free ka. So it has biotin as well. So yung hair fall, napansin ko, nabawasan kasi meron siyang biotin. And then maganda din siya sa may mga PCOS, infertility problems. Though wala ako nun, but napansin ko kasi napakadami sa community ang nakaka-experience nun. So this capsule, for me, matutulungan din talaga sila. What else? Tinitake ko itong capsule na to before, 2 capsules sa morning, isang inuman, 2 capsule kaagad. Kasi nga, tamad akong uminom para hindi ko makalimutan. Pero, na-discover ko na mas maganda pala i-take siya ng magkahiwalay. At the same time, nilagyan din natin siya ng melon extract. So yung melon extract, may napansin din ako na nag-comment na napakaganda rin ng effect ng melon extract sa katawan ng tao. Plus the fact na hindi nakakairitang inumin, lunukin yung capsule kasi mabango siya. Because alam naman natin that naturally, glutathione smells like a rotten egg. And ayoko naman na uminom tayo ng ganon. Diba? So, mas maigi na yung umiinom tayo ng masaya, nakangiti, at hindi nakasimangot. Kasi kailangan mong tiisin yung amoy. So, yun yung isa na ginol ko with this Beauty Tox capsule. Na i-take natin siya ng, alam mo yun, excited kang i-take siya. So, yun lamang po, and enjoy the rest of the night.